Welcome to a special presentation about the Power and Possibility Hackathon. I'll be your host, Alexis Trujillo. In this special series, we'll be presenting you a sponsor and mentors of this hackathon, so you can get tips about the approach and projects you may submit. The winner project will get a prize of $10,000 in SEM and access to the Ignite from NEM Ventures Incubator program. Also, a second and a third prizes will be rewarded. For more about our case studies and projects built on Symbol, visit the enterprise page, symbolplatform.com.
And joining us is one of our mentors for the Symbol Hackathon. He's Laura Cooley from the Waxman Agency. How are you, Laura? Welcome to this special series.
Hi, Alexi. Hi, happy to be here. Thank you.
Great to meet you again on this occasion. But Laura, I know you're going to do a better job than me explaining a little of your background and how comes you being the mentor of our Symbol Hackathon.
Yeah, of course. So I'm a senior consultant with Waxman, where I've worked for about 2.5 years. It's a leading PR and consultancy in the blockchain industry. So sort of over my time there, I've worked with NEM for about 2 years now, sort of advising from a strategic communications and public relations point of view. And prior to joining Waxman, I worked at a consumer-focused PR agency as well as an experiential marketing agency, doing a lot of sort of on-the-ground events and activations. And I sort of began my career at the world's largest speakers agency, where I worked with leading TED Talk speakers and celebrities. So sort of been in the communication space for a number of years now.
Well, blockchain and communication, that's great stuff. Why is this Symbol Hackathon so important for our community from your perspective?
I think that the thing with NEM is the community has always been the focus, and NEM has always been committed to growing its ecosystem sort of over the last 5 or 6 years. So with the launch of Symbol coming up, it's really coming up at a pivotal time for the ecosystem as a whole. And the hackathon's important because the tracks that it's centered around are geared at making participants think about solutions that they are building in terms of performance, real-world usefulness, quality, and design. And I really think that this will appeal to the developer community because Symbol is a groundbreaking chain. It has huge upgrades in terms of flexibility, scalability, speed of use, which really makes it applicable to a bunch of different industries and use cases. So I think the developer experience is unparalleled. And it really has sort of a host of new functionalities that make it really appealing to developers and really exciting. So for instance, its hybrid architecture makes it possible for public chains to operate transparently. We're also permitting more sensitive or private data to be stored on private chains. So that really is groundbreaking from a developer standpoint, as well as from an enterprise standpoint as well. So yeah, it's just a really exciting time to bring more developers into the ecosystem, and it's a perfect time to do so with the launch of Symbol coming up.
And actually, you got a little ahead of what I was about to ask you. Okay, and that's because since you're a mentor, okay, you practically are going to help our applicants with their projects and their team. Tell me, what kind of projects you would like to see in this hackathon?
Mm-hmm. I mean, I guess on a personal level, I'm a firm believer in the potential of using blockchain for good. So I'd be keen to see some use cases that emerge that sort of have tangible social impact, if that makes sense. And if you even look at the NEM ecosystem today and the projects that NEM Ventures have invested in to date, a lot of them are building decentralized and eco-friendly solutions to sort of address growing concerns around climate change. So I guess just speaking on a personal level there, I'd be excited to see some projects that align with that ethos.
Actually, I agree on all of those. And may I remind you all that we're having more than $22,000 in SEM in prizes in this hackathon. So I encourage you all to join, please, and into this hackathon. Well, let's thank Laura Cooley, our mentor to the Symbol Hackathon. If you have any any final words you wanted to share with us, Laura, please feel free to do so.
Yeah, really excited to be taking part. I think the hackathon will be a great way to build your network and meet friendly, like-minded developers in a supportive environment. And of course, like you mentioned there, Lexi, there's some great prizes up for grabs, including the possibility of creating a viable project through the NEM Ignite Incubator program. So, and of course, huge cash prizes as well. So yeah, I really look forward to supporting these projects from a PR and marketing standpoint, and yeah, really look forward to kicking off soon.
Hopefully we will. Well, let's leave it until at this point, okay? See you on a next edition of this special series about the hackathon. Please join us and stay in touch. See you, Laura. Thank you for coming us.
Bye.
Come with us.
Thank you.
Bye.
See ya.
To get more information about the Symbol Hackathon, please visit our website, symbolplatform.com.